Something amazing has happened just a few days ago. Have you been feeling that your world is getting a little better? Maybe you felt more peace in your life. Maybe you have been feeling like everything's going to be okay, to the waves of just love and gratitude for everything that life has to offer. Well, I have to tell you what is new about Earth. So myself, along with an amazing group of humans that are a part of this unity community with our galactic family, they're star seeds, they're walk-ins like myself, just everyday light workers, came together last Sunday and created a enhanced light template that is over the earth like an umbrella, like a new sun that is radiating down these light crystals and light frequencies to enhance everybody's light quotient here on earth. So if you're on a spiritual journey and you are ready for this ascension, ready to take the human species into this next multidimensional level, back to our galactic heritage, then this light template is for you. I mean, it is for everyone, but you will be able to feel it. So I put a picture down below of a representation of what it looks like. This is from the Zazar, the Shift.Rocks is the group that came together. I'm a part of that group that created this light template. And when you look at it, what do you feel? What do you sense? What do you know? You can tune into this template. It is above our earth. It is spinning. It's spherical. It gyrates and shines down all of these new light codes to really allow the human race to become whole again, to remember their divinity, to release all separation. And if you are just wanting to know more, please tune in. You can go to the Shift.Rocks website. That's the Sanctuary of Light, as well as my website, risingfromwithin.me, or tune into this channel and just feel this light template and all of the enhanced light. My meditations that I will be doing from here on out will be including this template, and they're getting stronger. They're getting more full of this ascension energy that we have. So I hope you tune in, because this template, we created it for you to show your light, to walk your path of divinity, and to come back home to where you belong in the family of light.